The whole world changed in March. And what we did is we were thankfully prepared because of the leadership and the message we've been talking about at CG.
I reference him a lot because he's one of the most diversified investors in this group. And he is always an open book with this group. He makes us better as a leadership team, and he makes everyone, in my opinion, in this group that much better. Mr. Frank Cava, please give it up for Mr. Frank.
For those of you that don't know me, my name is Frank Cava.
So when I joined the Collective Genius in 2012, I had already been an executive with a publicly traded home building company. I've grown sales teams, construction teams, and I've run an entire profit center that did upwards of $200 million a year in sales. So when I quit my business and started on my own in 2009, I came in with that level of experience. What I do every day is go out and run a business. And I've been told that my strength is I can take something incredibly complicated and I can boil it down into actionable items that make sense and are digestible for people and they can take home and implement.
A mastermind serves a lot of functions. A mastermind can change your life and your business in a lot of different facets. There's a lot of extremely valuable information shared. One of the foundations of CG is people come and they share their systems, their strategies, their resources with each other. Another thing it does is it allows you to kind of get out of the weeds, become a visionary. When you get to step out of your business for 3 days every quarter and go hang around some other bright folks, kind of helping each other and sharing systems and strategies and resources, the biggest, most important component to me is the networking and the deal flow. There are literally hundreds of millions of dollars that exchange hands between our members on an annual basis.